In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a decorative box using Dollar Tree items. You want to start with picture frames from the Dollar Tree. For this project, I used 7 picture frames. And these are the other items I used to make this box. Starting with the picture frames, you want to remove all of the backing that stands the picture frame up. Remove the prongs that hold the backing towards the picture frame. Then, utilizing a strong glue such as E6000 or Loctite, you want to apply the glue all the way around the picture frame. Then you're going to stack each picture frame on top of one another. And do the same method of gluing and stacking. Once you have all of the picture frames stacked tightly, press them firmly together. And with the 2 remaining picture frames, you want to add whatever decorative glitters. With me, I use confetti to give that sparkle. Anything that you want to add that additional effect. Here I'm mixing 3 different confetti colors. And I'm spreading this out to cover as much of the glass as possible. What's cool about this is it could shift around a little bit, which is what I was going for. Once you've entered all of your decorative confetti, you're going to add glue. And place the second picture frame with its glass on top of this one. I added additional bling using the Dollar Tree acrylic gems right in the center. You could use hot glue for instant glue as well as E6000 or another more permanent glue to keep a strong hold. Here you see me adding just a little drop of hot glue. Now I'm going to use 4 additional acrylic gems as feet. So I am using the flat side of the diamond to contact the picture frame. The pointy side of the diamond will be what is used as the stand. I used instant glue as well as hot glue for this. And then I pushed them all the way over to the corner. Next, I added additional bling, as who doesn't love more bling, utilizing the rhinestones from the Dollar Tree that already has its own glued backing. Lastly, I added hinges to my decorative box. This is not a step you have to do. You could actually just pull the top right off, but I wanted mine to open with hinges, so I added these. You can find these at Home Depot or anywhere. This is the finished look. Isn't it lovely? You can do this.
Please like and subscribe.